Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning saan man sulok ng mundo. First of all, we thank God, Allah, dahil okay naman tayo guys. And I hope na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan din lahat. And of course, I would like to greet Ramadan Kareem to our beloved sisters, brothers, Muslims, all over the world. And hindi ako nag-live ngayon guys. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you. I would like to thank to all of you guys who watch my latest videos. This is my Sisiwit dance. Thank you DJM TY Good Gameplay, thank you for liking my dance. This is Sisiwit dance, Igorot dance, my simple dance. And Chef Ricardo Cooking, thank you tol. Of course, very supportive. Ading ko love travel music, thank you. And of course, isa sa maka very supportive na ilang years na nakasupport. Tol, thinking OFW tol, na-reuse ako. Sana okay ka lang dyan sa Saudi. Regards sa inyong lahat dyan sa Saudi. Mga nagpapasting, shout out. And Safar Boys, very supportive. Safar Boys, very supportive. And of course, I would like also to thank, magpasalamat kay Mr. Suave or si Samuing TV. Salamat din. And Ginichi Vlog. Ito ay si Tol Jower Music Guitar. Jower Music Trills na palitan na. And sino pa yung nag-contact? Antonio, Kabsat Antonio, thank you. Talpakix, ading Talpakix, thank you. And of course, sa lahat ng mga sumusupport sa akin dito, to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, big thanks to all of you guys. Medyo umaangat konti ang WH ng Lola. Si Kuya Agyag. And I would like to shout out si Kuya Jobs in Hawaii. Si Kuya Jobs. Hi. Hola, mi amiga. Si Kuya Lauren Director, shout out. Si Kuya Nana ni YTC, very supportive. And also kamahalan to yung Kamalig Mix Vlog, shout out. Kapsat Tiwala lang TV. Bagyo Blessed Day, shout out na ading ko Bagyo Blessed Day. And Sisi Pretty Lady Tulipa Tulips. Wilms Channel, Sisikoy Wilms Channel, thank you. Wilma Vlog, thank you also. Garasi Vlog, terima kasih Garasi Vlog. Wilms Channel, Sisikoy, thank you. And Bagyo Blessed Day, ading thank you. Bagyo Blessed Day. Very supportive. Thank you so much sa ading ko. And again, thank you so much guys to all of you. Sino pa dito? Katpitri channel, Yomage channel, thank you. Thank you Tere Makasi, Kat Fitri channel all the way from Indonesia. Apa kabar, Sisi? Thank you so much. Pare ko, Humage channel, thank you so much. Very, very supportive. And thank you to Tol Thinking OFW all the way from Saudi Arabia. Matagal na tayong friend dito sa YT. Ilang taon na, Tol? Mag 5 years na ba? Nariyos ako kaya ako gumagawa ulit ng bagong WH kung makahabol pa ako kasi sayang. And thank you sa ng mga nagpi-play sa aking videos. Ading Talpa Kicks, thank you. Ading Love Travel Music, thank you. Nana Honey YTC, thank you. Sila yung nagpi-play sa aking videos na sana makamit ko ulit ang ating WH. Sana. So maraming salamat sa inyo mga kapatid. And gusto kong i-shout out ang ating bunso sa Pilipinas guys. Assalamualaikum. Ingat ka lagi dyan, lalo na sa pagbadrag. Ingat ka laging bunso. Konting tiis na lang. Konti na lang. Makakamit na. So, ingat ka laging dyan, bunso. At sa aking mga kapatid lahat, especially sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlad. Assalamualaikum sis. Alam kong busy ka ngayong Ramadan, kaya hindi kita kinukulit. Ingat ka lagi, magpahinga ka lagi, kumain, at matulog ka pagka tanghali, kasi sa gabi hindi kayo natutulog, busy kayo. So maraming salamat. TY Best, shout out TY Best. Ading Nels TV, shout out Ading Nels TV. So yan, thank you again, big thanks to all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting my small YouTube channel and to all my simple videos. Thank you so much guys. To all my sisikoy supporting this Sisikoy Princess Prayer, shout out. Assalamualaikum. Ramadan Karim sisikoy. Thank you again. Thank you guys. To all my loyal supporters, subscribers, thank you so much for watching my simple videos and supporting me in my small YouTube channel. And again, Ramadan Karim sa ating mga kapatid na Muslims all over the world. Ramadan Karim. Thank you. May God, Allah bless us all. Thank you, Rose Dumelod Vlog, all the way from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Thank you.